Hi there, welcome to my Turn Project video. The name of my Turn project is 112Crawler and is a roguelike dungeon crawler game. The game is top-down, turn-based, and grid-based, with procedurally generated rooms and maps featuring semi-smart enemies. We're going to play with a random map here. So let me show you the controls first. Most of the gameplay itself is pretty self-explanatory. The goal is to progress 3 rooms by avoiding and or destroying enemies without dying, and eventually making it to the final room and defeating the boss there to win. Certain rooms will have bosses or treasure chests that are generated based on some parameters. And if we open up the map here by pressing M, we can see the layout of the dungeon or the larger map itself. The pink dot represents the player, and the yellow square is the starting room. And we can see how it's kind of generated based on some parameters to go from start to end. And you don't know which one's the end. Some might be dead ends that lead to treasure chests, and some might just lead to other bosses. So as you can see, the next room is to the right, and that's kind of reflected by the green dot here, the portal being on the right side of the room. So we walk around here. You can see the pathfinding at work with the enemies. The enemy gets onto us, we start losing health, and we just click. The orange ones are one-hit kills. So now we're transported to the next room, which is again going to be procedurally generated anew. You can see that our position is updated on the map. And there's a portal to the left and a portal on top, which is accurate here. So you basically just keep going along, try not to die. And here, this is a boss. The red ones are bosses, and they take a bit longer to kill. And they might actually kill us. Oh, never mind. So the yellow boxes are the chests. If you step on one, you gain health and max health. And then also traveling to a new room will regenerate some of your health. Okay, so I think that's enough of the basic gameplay. So now if we press P, we can save the map. And let me demonstrate the loading map feature. So this time around, I'm going to select the other character and the hard difficulty, and then click create/load. So when we press O to load a map, a text box appears that requests the file name. And all we have to do is input a file name of one of the maps we've saved. In this case, I'm going to put in map_24_24. And the maps again are saved as TXT files. And the way that they're named is based on the number of rooms between the start and the last room, as well as the coordinates of the starting room. So here there are going to be 24 rooms from start to finish, and the coordinates of the first room are going to be 2, 4. That's the basics of my game. I hope you enjoyed.